Aubergine, also known as eggplant, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is popular in many cuisines around the world. It is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthy addition to any diet. In this video, we will explore some of the health benefits of aubergine. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Aubergine, also known as eggplant, has a long and interesting history that spans several centuries in many cultures. While the exact origin of aubergine is not known, it is believed to have originated in India and Southeast Asia. It was then introduced to the Mediterranean region by Arab traders in the 7th century. The first recorded mention of aubergine in Europe was in the 13th century, when it was brought to Sicily by the Moors. It quickly spread throughout Europe, where it was used in a variety of dishes, including stews, soups, and casseroles. The popularity of aubergine continued to grow in the 16th century, when it was introduced to the Americas by Spanish and Portuguese explorers. Despite its growing popularity, aubergine was not always well regarded. In some cultures, it was believed to be poisonous or have negative effects on the body. In fact, the name eggplant comes from an early variety of the vegetable that had white, egg-shaped fruit. This variety was thought to resemble a goose egg and was referred to as mad apple or poison apple due to its supposed toxicity. However, over time, aubergine became more widely accepted and celebrated for its flavor and nutritional value. Today, it is a staple in many cuisines around the world, from Indian curries to Italian pasta dishes. Its versatility and rich, meaty flavor make it a popular choice for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Aubergine is a popular ingredient in many culinary traditions around the world. It is a versatile vegetable that can be cooked in a variety of ways and used in a wide range of dishes. In Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine, aubergine is often used in dishes such as moussaka, baba ganoush, and ratatouille. In Asian cuisine, it is used in dishes such as stir-fries, curries, and tempura. In Italian cuisine, aubergine is a key ingredient in dishes such as caponata and parmigiana. Aubergines can be baked, roasted, grilled, fried, or sautéed, and they can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. They are also often used as a meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan cooking, as their texture is similar to that of meat when cooked. Aubergine is a great source of several nutrients, including fiber, vitamins B1, B6, and K, potassium, copper, and manganese. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system healthy, while vitamin B1 is important for maintaining energy levels. Vitamin B6 helps to support the immune system and maintain healthy brain function. And vitamin K is essential for bone health. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure, while copper and manganese are important for the production of red blood cells and maintaining healthy bones. Aubergine contains compounds called saponins, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Saponins work by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Aubergine is low in carbohydrates and has a high fiber content, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in aubergine slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Aubergine is rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of these diseases. Aubergine is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for people who are trying to lose weight. The fiber in aubergine helps to keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Additionally, the low-calorie content of aubergine means that you can eat a large portion without consuming too many calories. In conclusion, aubergine is a nutrient-rich vegetable that offers a range of health benefits. It is particularly beneficial for people who are looking to control their blood sugar levels, lower their cholesterol levels, or lose weight. With its versatility in cooking and its delicious taste, aubergine is a great addition to any healthy diet. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.